thunderstorm will be near Plano, Allen, Murphy, Fairview, Lucas, and Parker around 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wiley around 3:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lowry Crossing around 3:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Farmersville around 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Altoga, Branch, St. Paul, Lake Ray Hubbard, Levon Lake, Josephine, New Hope, Levon, Buckingham, and Cokeville. This includes Interstate 30 between mile marker 65 and 79. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill.